Bajirao Mastani is a royal magnum opus film from Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Audience were gripped with the Peshwa fervor and everyone just traveled the historic lane down to the time of the Peshwas and Mughals with ease and finesse. However, as with the period films, there were some glaring goof-ups which Sanjay Leela Bhansali should have certainly looked into and avoided. This could have given a perfection to his hard work and effort. The Pinga song seems to be a hot topic for controversy. The glaring mistake in the song is the way Priyanka Chopra or Kashi Bai and Mastani or Deepika Padukone have draped the sari. The Peshwan Bai was a very elegant, decent and graceful woman. In those days, the sari was an item of display of best wares and not the body. The pallu used to be covered over the shoulder. However, in the song, the Peshwan Bai has draped it like a folk dancer, which was not acceptable to a section of the public. The Haldi Kumkum ritual is a very auspicious and matter of discipline to Indian women. Every Indian state has its own customs and in Maharashtra the ritual is a lengthy one. In the movie, Kashi Bai and Mastani apply Haldi Kumkum but not in the way it was originally done. There were no application of Haldi and Kumkum by taking them at the same time in two different fingers. Moreover, they were standing and taking the coconut while actually you have to sit in a particular direction and take the coconut in a pallu. The Peshwan Bai is a woman with a lot of confidence and grace. Her speech and style is filled with a charm and elegance. However, Priyanka as Kashi Bai used words like bubblet which are more a modern usage of language. This did not go down well with the Janta. Why would Deepika show her tights from under the Nawari in a fast motion action in the Pinga dance? Well, it happened and this was a genuine mistake and could have been avoided. The words Wat Lovely are not something that a Peshwa would use. However, these are the very words which Ranveer Singh used in the song Malhari, the victory dance. This is again a faux pas which really was not needed. All the same, the movie was grand, so we can best ignore these glaring mistakes and yet enjoy the flick.